Hi, today's recipe is baked sweet rice. If you wanna try something new and not super expensive, try this recipe. You can make it during any season. You can use pretty much any fruit that you want. Doesn't have to be fresh. You can use fruit from can as well. And like I said, it doesn't cost too much. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.